What's up, guys? Real quick, one thing I want y'all to try to do starting July 1st, and I'm gonna go back to doing that because I was doing it a while ago, and for some reason I just stopped. Excuse me, I just came from the gym. That's why I'm sweating so much. But one thing I did not too long ago was jotting down my day, what I wanted to do every hour. So I'm planning out my day every hour, or you could do every 2 or 3 hours. Like, it don't have to be every hour, because you can do but so much in an hour, right? Like, so some things take longer than an hour, like going to the gym, or like go for a walk, and guys, like, I want y'all to think too that, like, y'all can plan little things too. So, like, at 10 o'clock I'm gonna eat a banana and drink a bottle of water. Like, it don't have to be like extreme things you don't ever do. It could be things that you do all the time. You just kind of wing it on an everyday basis. So what I want y'all to do is set a plan for July 1st of, as soon as you wake up, whether it's 5 o'clock, say, don't matter, like, whatever, set a time, like, whatever you want to do. Brush your teeth, wash your face, pack your lunch, go to work, and then 7 o'clock, eat your breakfast, or eat your breakfast snack. At 10 o'clock, one thing I do is I watch videos while I'm at work. Some guys can't do that at work, but I'm lucky I'm able to do that. Like, I watch YouTube videos on trading stock options. That's something I've been into lately. I plan on doing that at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. I've been at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. I would have been at work by 4 o'clock. Oh, I'm sorry, been at work 4 hours by then. So just try to plan your day and try to be on time with it, and try to get better at it every single day, and try for 30 days. Like, the goal is to continue doing this for the rest of your life, but if you set 30 days, then you can like try to achieve a goal try to achieve the goal to do it every single day. So I'm gonna start doing that tomorrow. Like, y'all got notepads and stuff. Y'all got notepads on y'all phone. Everybody has notes on your phone where you can do this, or you can just grab a simple piece of paper and pen and just start writing down tonight what you want to do as soon as you wake up, what you want to do midday, what you want to do when you get off work. Like, when I get off work, I'm gonna go to the gym. That's at 2:30. I get off at 2:30, and I'm gonna be at the gym at 3 o'clock. I have to be at the gym at 3 o'clock though. Just try to plan your day out accordingly and accomplish those goals, whatever you wrote down on paper or put in your notes. The goal is really to plan your day out. That way you can get more done and you can achieve more goals on a daily basis. Because a lot of times when we wing it as far as our plans for the day, we end up not doing much as we could have, or honestly doing too much, and it can become stressful. So to stay organized, try to set a plan. Like I said, it don't have to be every hour. It could be every 3 hours. It don't have to be extreme stuff like I'm gonna run 2 miles and you haven't ran in years. It could be like, I'm gonna drink a bottle of water. I'm going to go to the bank. I'm gonna pick my daughter up. I'm gonna pick my kids up at this time. Or me and my kids are gonna do this at 6 o'clock. We're gonna eat dinner at 6 o'clock. like, make sure y'all like setting goals on a daily basis, because it's just better for you that way. And I used to do it. I don't know why I stopped doing that, but it's just a nice little way of being organized and getting more things done and benefiting you in the long run. That's all I got, guys. I just wanted to throw that out there. July 1st, start on that, try that out, and see where it leads you. And comment in the comment section like what y'all think. Comment on the comment section what y'all like, how it worked out for you, or what y'all plan on doing even. And subscribe, like and subscribe. All right, that's all I got. Okay, all right then, peace.